In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gamma I watermark. If you've ever exported a deck or a page from Gamma and noticed a small logo or branding banner on the output, that's the watermark. It appears on free plans to identify the tool used and to encourage upgrades. The clean, professional way to remove it is to switch to a paid plan inside your Gamma account settings. Start by signing into Gamma in your browser, then open your account settings, usually found under your profile photo or initials in the top corner. From there, choose Upgrade or Pricing. You'll see the available paid plans and what each one includes. Look for wording that specifies watermark-free exports or unbranded publishing, along with other benefits like removing Gamma branding and lifting certain usage limits. Pick the plan that fits your needs, confirm your billing details, and complete the upgrade. Once your plan is active, head back to your project. Create a new export or publish it again so the system can apply your new permissions. Re-exporting is important. Older files generated before upgrading may still show the old watermark, but anything you export or publish after the upgrade should be clean. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Double check you're on the correct workspace or team when you upgrade. Watermark removal applies to the account and workspace you're paying for. If you collaborate with others, make sure the project lives in that upgraded space. If you don't immediately see the change after upgrading, refresh the page, sign out and back in, or try exporting again in a fresh browser tab. Also, confirm that your payment went through by checking the billing section in settings. Before you choose a plan, compare features, monthly versus annual pricing, and any limits that matter to you, like the number of exports or advanced design options. If there's a trial or promotional period, use it to verify that exports are truly unbranded for your workflow. And one final note, avoid risky workarounds like cropping out the watermark or using third-party removers. Those can lower quality, break your layout, or violate terms of service. Upgrading is the official, reliable way to keep your work looking polished. That's it. Open settings, select upgrade or pricing, choose a paid plan, and then recreate or export your presentation again. Your exports should now be free of the Gamma watermark and extra branding, ready to share with clients, teammates, or your audience.